In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Excel on your laptop. Whether you're looking for the full desktop experience, exploring a free web alternative, or interested in educational offers, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in with the first option, which involves downloading and installing Excel via Microsoft 365. This is a subscription-based method and arguably the most common way to get the full Excel experience on your laptop. To start, you'll need to visit the official Microsoft 365 or Office website. Once there, sign in with your Microsoft account. After successfully signing in, look for the option that says Install Office or Install Microsoft 365 Apps, and go ahead and click on it. This action will start the download of the installer. After the download is complete, locate the file on your computer and run it. Follow the on-screen installation prompts, and this will guide you through the process of installing Excel, along with other applications like Word and PowerPoint. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Excel and activate it simply by signing in with your Microsoft account. For those who prefer a one-time purchase, there's a second option that might suit you better. You can opt to purchase a standalone version of Excel or the entire Office suite. Products like Office Home 2024 will not only include Excel, but also other applications such as Word, PowerPoint, and OneNote, all for use on a single device. Alternatively, if you're only interested in Excel, a standalone license can typically be purchased through the Microsoft Store. Before making this purchase, ensure that your laptop meets the minimum system requirements, such as running on Windows 10 or 11, or a recent Mac OS. Next, if you are looking for a free option that provides quick access without having to install anything, you can use Excel for the web. Simply go to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. This will allow you to access Excel right from your browser. Keep in mind, however, that while it is free and easy to use, it does come with some limitations regarding advanced features. Students and educators are in luck, as they might qualify for Microsoft 365 Education, which gives free access to the full-featured Office suite. Finally, if you want to try out Excel without committing to a purchase just yet, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial of Microsoft 365. Head over to Microsoft365.com. Choose a subscription plan that suits you and start your trial. Remember, if you don't want to incur any charges, be sure to cancel before the 30 days are up. These are the various routes you can take to get Excel on your laptop. Whether you go for a subscription, a one-time purchase, or explore the free alternatives, I hope this guide helps you find the best fit for your needs. Enjoy your experience with Microsoft Excel.